Instagram has added a new feature allowing users to add music to their notes. Post in this video, I'll show you how to share music on Instagram Notes. Now, let's get started to create a note with a song. Open the Instagram app and tap the message icon in the top right corner. Then tap your profile icon in the note section at the top to begin writing a new note type in anything you'd like to write in your note. Then tap the music icon to attach a song type in the name of the song you want to use, or tap one of the suggested songs that appears. Choose the portion of the SSL you want to use. Then tap Done to add it to your note when you're finished. Tap Share at the top to post your note. When your friends view your note, they'll be able to hear the song you added. That's all it takes to share music on Instagram Notes if you don't have access to this feature yet. Make sure to keep your Instagram app updated to the newest version to get access to this feature as soon as it's available to you. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.